Welcome to Techi. In this video I am going to show you about the powerful all-in-one remote management tool that is MobaXterm. MobaXterm is all-in-one remote management tool that lets you control your Linux server and Windows machine from a single console. Instead of opening multiple apps like PuTTY, Command Prompt, PowerShell or RDP separately, MobaXterm combines everything in one place. Imagine you are a system administrator managing both Windows and Linux server. Normally you would open PuTTY for SSH, PowerShell for commands, File Explorer or WinSCP for file transfer, Remote Desktop for Windows RDP session. That's 3 or 4 tools open at the same time. But with MobaXterm, you can SSH to Linux, transfer files with SFTP, open Windows RDP session, use built-in bash commands, manage multiple server in tabs, all inside one single software. Let's go to the server and see how to install and set up the MobaXterm. So right now I am on my server, and if I go to the Hyper-V manager, we have these multiple VMs running. And if we want to get connected with these machines, we have to just do the right click, connect, right click, connect again. And here we have these machines. Every time we have to toggle between these machines. Like if I have to go to this Ubuntu machine, I have to toggle it from here. And again, if the machines are on the network, then we have to use the RDP. And if these are the Linux machine on the network, then we have to use the PuTTY. So we have to use the different multiple tools. Instead of doing that, we will try to set up the MobaXterm so that we can manage everything from the one place. Let me go to the internet and just type the MobaXterm download. You will see this link, and after opening this link, this page will be open. So we have two editions like Home Edition and Professional Edition. Still with the Home Free Edition, we can use like maximum 12 session, 2 SSH tunnel and 4 macros. So still this is fine with us, and if you need some more and advanced features, definitely you can go with the Professional Edition. But I am doing it with the free version because even with this free version you can still do lot of things. And we have a portable version and the installer edition. Let me go and try to do the installer one. I will install it on my computer because I need that permanently. It's getting downloaded. So it is downloaded now, and let me open the folder and I will extract this. I will say extract all. So it is extracted to the MobaXterm installer. This is the folder and this is the setup file. Let me try to install it. I will click on next, accept the terms and the license agreement, and click on next, next again, and install. So the MobaXterm installation has been completed. Let me finish it. So this is our MobaXterm software and I will open it. This is how it will appear at the first time. So when you open it first time, it will ask you the light theme or dark theme. Let me choose the light one and maximize it. So you can select your favorite theme. You can choose the theme like light or dark, and this is how it will appear. For an example, if we click on the session here, all the things we have available here like SSH, Telnet, RDP, FTP, SFTP, shell. For example, if I want like command prompt from this computer, I can just open the CMD and it will open the command prompt for this computer on which this is installed. Go to the shell and just open the PowerShell. It will open the PowerShell of the computer. So command prompt is this, PowerShell is this, and again we can add some another sessions. For example, I have this machines here and you can see the IP is 102, 105, and for the Linux that is 36 and 42. We can add these machines as well. Let me show you how we can add that. Let me connect to the RDP session first, and I'll say RDP and the remote host. The IP of my remote host is I say 102, that is 192.168.12.102. I will just copy it from here and I'll paste the IP and the username for this. So just put the IP address, username, and click on OK, and now it will prompt for the password and you can click on OK. And it says like, do you want to save the password? I say yes. Okay. Also you can set the master password for this, and important, do not forget your master password, otherwise you will lose all your stored password. You can set the master password for your MobaXterm. I have set the password. Let me click on OK. This is the command prompt, PowerShell. This is my RDP. Again, if we want to SSH, we can do that, and I say remote host. I will go with this 36 and I'll say that is 192.168.12.36. Username is Jack. The port is default, that is 22. Click on OK. It says accept the connection. I say accept it, and now it's asking the password. Yes. So you can see we are logged into the Linux machine as well. This is our Windows RDP, this is Linux, this is our PowerShell, this is command prompt. And again, if we want to do the SFTP as well, let me show you the SFTP as well. For example, let's go to the like 192.168.12.36 and username is Jack. Here you can see we are connected with the SFTP. For example, like this is my computer. I have a new text document on the desktop. You can see that we have this one. If I want to upload this text document to my Linux machine, to the home folder of a Jack user, I will just click on this upload, select the desktop. This is the new text document, and select the document, and you can see it is uploaded to my Linux machine. Same way, if we want to download it, we can download it as well. If I delete it from here, let me delete this, and if I download it from here just by right clicking it and download, or you can just press here. So let me do it from here now. Where you want to download it, I say desktop, click on OK, and now again the file is there. You can see the file is there. So we have a good use case for this, like this is SFTP, this is our SSH, this is RDP, PowerShell, CMD. So we have all in one place. And even here you can save these as well. For example, I say this is the command prompt. We can save this session. Let me close this one, and I will save for the RDP and the SSH and this SFTP. I will save it. You can just do a right click here. You can say rename the session, and I can say this is my DC computer. I will say DC, click on OK. This is set to the DC. This one is a SFTP connection, so I will rename the session and I will say 36 IP SFTP. Click on OK. Here it is renamed, and here we can just rename the session like 36 SSH. Click on save. And now if I disconnect it from here and I disconnect all the session now, so this is empty now, but we have that saved here. Even if we close the MobaXterm, these settings will be saved there. So for example, the next time you want to connect any of these machines, you can just simply double click this, and this will be connected to the SSH on our 12.36 machine. Same way, if we want to go to the DC machine, we can double click here and we have the remote connection of our DC. The RDP is there. Same way with the PowerShell, command prompt. So we can just toggle between these tabs, and inside the one console we have everything. MobaXterm makes the system administration extremely simple. Whether you are connecting to the Linux using SSH or Windows using the RDP, you don't need the different tools. Like everything runs under one console. You can open the 10 Linux session and 3 Windows RDP connections side by side, all in tabs, and everything is neatly organized. This saves the time, reduces the mistakes, and make IT management super efficient. I hope the video was informative. Let's meet in a next video. Friends, want to level up your IT career with exclusive Exchange server and hybrid training? Join my YouTube membership for exclusive step-by-step training, real-world migration labs, and insider tips you won't find anywhere else. Explore the complete playlist for Exchange Microsoft courseware, where you will get the step-by-step Exchange Server 2019-2025 training, hybrid Exchange plus Microsoft 365 deep dives, advanced migration guides and real-world lab, members only question and answer, and early access content, and many more new content to come. See the serious members taking the benefit of course content and leveling up their IT career. Playlist and membership link is available in the description. So select the membership and join now to start mastering Exchange like pro.